Okay, let's see what's the next problem. Okay, now to determine whether the string is a palindrome or not. Now what's a palindrome? A palindrome is a word which spells the same forwards or backwards. Okay, for example, refer. Okay, so whether you read it from left to right or right to left, it is the same. Okay, so let's see what we need to do. Include iostream.h hash include conio.h hash include string.h void main. Okay, so whether a string is a palindrome or not. Okay, so character, so we require two strings, one for the left to right one and the other for the right to left one. So s of, let's say, 20. Okay, and reverse one 20. Okay, so clear screen. Okay, prompt, so cout, enter the string. Okay, cin dot get line s comma 100. Okay, now comes the functions that we are going to use. One is strcpy string copy r comma s. So what does this do? It takes the what is there in s, copy the characters of the string s to r. Okay, then there is another function, string reverse. So what it will do is it takes only one parameter, that is a string, and what it does is it reverses the order of the characters. Okay, so by just doing this we have created two strings which are one is left to right and the other is right to left. Okay, so it's just, now it's just a question of comparing whether both are same or not. So if str, so now here comes the another string function, string compare ignore case. That means it will not really matter whether the letters are in uppercase or lower case or in mixed case. So case of the letters will be ignored. Okay, so s comma r, so these are the two strings that has to be compared. If then there are no differences, okay, this will be true. So if a string is greater than the other string, then it will return a positive value. If it is less than the other one, then it will return a negative value. And if they match in terms of the elements of the array, then it will return 0. So if it is equal to 0, and now remember, when we say greater than or lesser than, it basically it does the comparison of the ASCII values. Okay, so if they are equal, okay, if they are equal, then cout it is a palindrome. Okay, and L. Now if it is not, then it is not a palindrome. Okay, get ch. Okay, let's run this now. Let's it is a palindrome. Refer, say it is ignoring the case. Okay. Pascal, it is not a palindrome. Okay, now let's save it and quit.